I'm gonna get so many tips at the bar tonight. With my dress, my lashes, my nails. Together I'm gonna look so bomb.
Hola. Me llamo Felipe Iglesias. I'm here about the available room I saw online.
Oh, yes. Come on in. So, how long have you lived in LA?
It took about 2 hours. It's about the time from when I landed from Vegas. It took about a 5-mile ride over here.
Wow. Did you party in those clothes?
Truchas, see. I still know about good hygiene.
No, I just love your outfit, by the way. So, what'd you do in Vegas?
Well, after growing up in Miami and becoming one of the head promoters for Club Mansion, I took my talents out to Dre's. And it was Dre's day all day. Tú sabes.
Yeah. What like a crazy party out there?
Thanks for the cover. I was practicing for our mortifying scene.
Really? You nailed it.
No, not really, but thanks. So I was in the shower, and it went ice cold on me again. That landlord needs to fix the shower. I mean, goodness gracious, it just gets cold quick. It's bananas, I tell you, bananas. I don't know about that dude. He's nice, but he's a little weird, and he never fixes a damn thing. I mean, what am I supposed to do? I'm supposed to get ready for my audition right now, and I'm just a mess.
Meet my roommate. Blake, meet Felipe. Felipe, meet Blake. Wait, I'm so sorry. There are bananas in the shower, or you slipped on one? I'm just really confused.
I know, honey, it's okay. And no, there wasn't honey involved.
Okay.
Anyways.
Felipe, su servicio. Sounds like you need a handyman around here. If I can fix the issue, maybe I can be the new roommate?
Casey, can I see you in the kitchen real quick?
Sure.
Con permiso.
So what do we know about this guy, anyway?
Well, he's very vibrant, flashy, born in Miami, moved to Vegas, is a club promoter. Yeah, that's as far as we got. Ooh, maybe he might know some people to get us into some Hollywood hotspots.
But he's gay, right? Because I can't have someone hitting on me, like, all the time.
No, like he has to be. The color and fit of his clothes totally bring that vibrant attitude that kind of leans that way.
Yeah, I can meet you in WeHo. Hey, I'm always on top, carnal. Always on top. It just comes naturally.
He is
In this
gay.
baby.
I bet he likes being on top. You know, like,
Yeah, I get it. I've always wanted a gay best friend. He can help me prep for auditions and help me with red carpet looks.
me too. And he can help me pick out the gay guys from the non-gay guys so I can just stop hitting on the wrong guys. Yeah.
Well, I'll see you later. Okay, señoritas. Your problem is fixed. You now have hot swatter.
Oh my God, I can make it to my audition. Thank you so much.
Just a simple fix in the handle. Yeah, but I used to do some acting back in the day. It would be a lot of help, especially if I'm gonna have my own fitness page on IGTV.
Right. Well, I'm in fashion, hoping to one day own my own lingerie line.
Oh, lingerie. I'd love to see it. No, my tia. She used to teach me how to sew, so I would just like to see the material you use.
Oh.
Oh, you so do you? I would love it if you could help me with some costume ideas I had.
Claro, I'd love to help out. And I would love to live here. It is so pretty. And you ladies are so wonderful.
It'll be us three birds all living together. How grand. How chic. Or should I say, chic.
I'm loving this threesome. Oh, man, it's just like the dynamic back home.
Casey, can you please go do a round? The boss is on me again that this bar isn't as busy as the one upstairs. People are starting to complain there's slow service.
Blake, look at this jacket. Isn't it just everything? I'm thinking of ordering it. It's only like $300. What a deal.
Casey, you can't afford that. We haven't even made rent. If you don't make money, then I don't make money pouring your drinks. So please, put the phone away, stop lollygagging, and get.
Girl, save the drama for the screen. Everything's gonna be fine. See this dress I made? It's gonna be the hottest thing on social media once it's in production.
Oh, dear God, please send me an angel of mercy.
Felipe!
Felipe! Well, I asked for an angel. Well, I guess you'll do.
Gracias. My mama used to call me an angel, but now she's the angel looking from above.
Oh.
But today, I am the angel of mercy with these guns. I've been pumping so hard.
Felipe, stop.
No, Casey, you stop and go sell some drinks.
Ladies, there's no need to fight. What you need is Constantine.
Who?
It's my online alias, pretending to be someone you're not for likes and fame. I'm gonna be that guy that gets you from get-go to check-go real fast. I'm gonna work some magic and make sure you girls pay the rent. Alright.
You really think he has that much pull being new to LA?
Well, he does have promoter experience in Miami and Vegas. Well, actions speak louder than words, so. Till then, go tend to that customer. Work it, girl.
Okay.
Work it.
Ooh, ooh.
Hola, chulos y chulas. It's your boy Constantine. And I need all my Miami peeps, all my Vegas peeps to hit up their LA peeps about this nightclub hitting gem. The girls serving you are hot, always caliente. So the first 10 people to add me on IG, find me at the club, will get a free 30-minute workout and a t-shirt. Let's party.
So, how much did they tip?
A lousy $5.
What? Damn it, that was a $80 tab.
Hey, lindas.
God damn it.
Has it gotten any better in the last hour? Not bad, huh? Well, I did the best I could with the magic I had. I sure did hashtag the hell out of that post. Hashtag Rise of Constantine. Hashtag Pump and Party. Hashtag Guns and Buns. Hashtag, please, I'm trying to impress my friends. Damn, all my followers. Otra más, mija.
I'm your pusher. I'm your pusher. I'm on this drug called love. Explosions from up. Chills up and down my spine. Now I have crossed the line. I want you to gravitate to me. I want you to radiate for me.
Spin me around and set me free. Send my heart racing to ecstasy.
Here comes the love. Here comes the love. Here comes the love. I'm your love drug, babe. You're my love drug. Here comes the love. Here comes the love. I'm your love drug, babe. You're my love drug. Push.
Ay, Dios mío. I'm a failure in making this place worthy. Otra. Please.
I think you got enough.
No. Only a man can tell me when I've had enough. Plus, you want the tip, right?
What?
You like the tip.
Excuse me? Constantine.
Again? You got the wrong guy, sweetheart. What's your deal?
Did I qualify for your 30 minutes workout and the shirt?
Oh, sí, yes, hi, Constantine. Hi, oh, sí. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Oh, yes. Oh,
Thank you.
oh my God. Oh, there's 15 new followers. Oh, there is a God. Oh, yeah, it's a party aquí. Woo.
Casey, wake that butt up. We've got work to do.
Oh, snap! Looks like I might be able to afford that cute jacket after all.
I can't believe it. We made rent and a little extra. Felipe came through for us.
What? Oh, look at here, huh? Wet t-shirt contest. Whew. Look at these boobies, huh? It's so nice.
Oh, God.
What? So, did you girls make rent? Did you make up?
Speaking of which, Blake, I'm sorry. I know I haven't been working that hard lately. I just want to focus on my fashion.
I know. I just want to act. But in between our successes, we need the necessities to keep going.
Yeah, I know.
And I'll try not to come down on you so hard. But if I mention we need to work, please just know I'm on your side. It's only to benefit us.
I know you're just looking out for me. That is why you are my best friend.
Aww.
Oh, que cute. Can we all just hug it out?
How about next time, Constantine? Looks like you spilled your holy water.
Locas. So I was thinking, what are we gonna do for the 4th of July? Mud wrestling and fireworks.
I don't think you can light off fireworks in the mud. I'm pretty sure it's flammable. Or maybe that was my hair mask that was flammable. Either way, both are really bad for my hair. And I think my parents want me back home for the 4th of July, so you guys are on your own.
Oh, no. I am forever triggered by the holidays. I will hide and wait/cry in my room until it's over.
Mommy issues.
Same, but different.
Guys, I'm right here.
What? No Netflix in Chile?
Good night, Constantine.
Tu perdida. Hey, Kitty, you hungry?